One of the most exciting announcements from Apple at WWDC 2021 was the introduction of declarative device management, a new way of managing Apple devices that is more efficient, scalable, and flexible than the traditional MDM approach. In this video, we will explain what declarative device management is, how it works, and why it is a game changer for Apple admins. Declarative device management is based on three key concepts: declarations, status channel, and extensibility. Declarations are the desired state of a device or a group of devices, such as which apps should be installed, which settings should be configured, and which restrictions should be applied. Status channel is the way that devices report their current state and any changes to their state to the MDM server. Extensibility is the ability to add custom declarations and status types using app extensions. The main difference between declarative device management and traditional MDM is that declarative device management shifts the responsibility of applying and enforcing the desired state from the MDM server to the device itself. This means that the device can act autonomously and proactively, without waiting for commands or queries from the server. This also means that the server can focus on providing high-level guidance and monitoring the status of the devices, rather than micromanaging every detail. The benefits of declarative device management are many. First, it improves performance and reliability, as devices can react faster and more intelligently to changes in their environment, such as network connectivity, battery level, or user actions. Second, it increases scalability and security, as devices can handle more complex and dynamic scenarios without overloading the server or exposing sensitive data. Third, it enables flexibility and creativity, as developers can create custom declarations and status types to suit their specific needs and use cases. At WWDC 2022, Apple announced that declarative device management will be available for Macs running macOS Monterey or later, in addition to iPhones and iPads running iOS 15 or later. This means that Apple admins can now use declarative device management to manage all their Apple devices with a consistent and unified approach. Apple also introduced new features and enhancements to declarative device management, such as support for predicates, which allow admins to define conditions for applying declarations based on device attributes or status. Declarative device management is the future of device management for Apple devices. It allows devices to be more autonomous and proactive while still supporting mobile device management. It brings both increased performance and scalability to device management solutions. And it opens up new possibilities for innovation and customization for developers and admins. If you want to learn more about declarative device management and how to adopt it in your MDM solution, check out the resources below. Apple announced new features and updates for its operating systems, such as iOS 17, macOS 13, watchOS 10, and tvOS 16, that improve performance, security, privacy, and accessibility. iOS 17 is the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system that powers the iPhone and iPad. It introduces new ways to communicate, share, and stay connected with features like contact posters, live voicemail, standby, and journal. Contact posters let you create personalized stickers with your contact information that you can send to anyone via messages or AirDrop. Live voicemail lets you record and send voice messages that can be played back by the recipient without leaving the phone app. Standby lets you view information at a glance on your lock screen or home screen with widgets that update based on your location, time of day, or activity. Journal is a new app that helps you reflect and practice gratitude and focus on your well-being. macOS 13 is the next major update for Apple's desktop operating system that runs on Mac computers. It is named after Sonoma, a wine region in California. macOS Sonoma brings a redesigned interface that adapts to your preferences and context, with dynamic colors, icons, and sounds. It also enhances your productivity and creativity with features like focus mode, quick note, universal control, and shortcuts. Focus mode lets you customize your notifications and distractions based on what you are doing. Quick Note lets you jot down notes from any app or website with a swipe from the corner of the screen. Universal Control lets you use a single mouse and keyboard to seamlessly control multiple Macs or iPads. Shortcuts lets you automate tasks with simple drag and drop actions. watchOS 10 is the latest version of Apple's wearable operating system that powers the Apple Watch. It brings new health and fitness features, such as sleep tracking, mindfulness, respiratory rate, and Tai Chi. Sleep tracking lets you monitor your sleep quality and duration with sensors and algorithms. Mindfulness is a new app that guides you through breathing exercises and meditation sessions. Respiratory rate lets you measure how many breaths you take per minute while sleeping or resting. Tai Chi is a new workout type that tracks your movement and calories burned while practicing this ancient martial art. tvOS 16 is the latest version of Apple's TV operating system that powers the Apple TV. It introduces new ways to enjoy content and games on the big screen, such as SharePlay, Spatial Audio, HomeKit Secure Video, and Game Center. SharePlay lets you watch movies or shows with your friends or family over FaceTime on your Apple TV. Spatial Audio lets you experience immersive sound with AirPods Pro or AirPods Max when watching content on your Apple TV. HomeKit Secure Video lets you view live or recorded video from your security cameras on your Apple TV with end-to-end encryption. Game Center lets you see your achievements, leaderboards, and friends across all your devices. These are some of the highlights of the new features and updates coming to Apple's operating systems later this year. Stay tuned for more details on how they will enhance your experience with Apple devices.